Hey guys, so today I am making bone stock for my GAPS diet. So I've got a big piece of bone here. We buy it from our farmer's market. So this is from Rainbow's End Farm, and they do like grass-fed beef. So I got this big piece of meat here to cook off so that I have some meat for the week, and then this will provide the fat. So I need to have more water, but my Berkey is filling up right now. So I put what water I could in here, and then I'm just gonna boil this for 4 to 6 hours, and it'll probably be ready in time for an early dinner.
Would you like to make a big city? So we're gonna run all of these.
Alright guys, be quiet, I'm gonna film for a second. For breakfast, I'm having this chicken broth. This one didn't get a lot of fat on top, but it's got some cauliflower and carrots and celery in it. And cook it up and I'll add some lard and some more salt to it. And then I'm going to have some fermented carrot juice with carrots and an egg. And probably some avocado.
Okay, I gotta pee. Oh, yeah, I am. I'm going to get you a bag of...
It's right after lunch, and I'm going to put this broth in these containers in the fridge so I can make soup out of it later. There it is. Delicious, fatty broth.
We laugh and she's on the table.
So tonight we are all having the soup, and this is how I make it fun for the kids. So I put butter, this is raw milk, cheese, eggs, and rice for the kids, and they get to put whichever ones they want in their soup and make their own special soup. And here's my probiotic drink. I'm just going to be adding an egg to mine and some lard.
I'm still having an egg.
And here's the soup that I made for dinner. Alright, you want to put some cheese in your bowl, Becky?
I already did.
Okay. Alright, now you stir it all together.
Stir it up.